consciously choosing to look for things to appreciate.
So it's like proactively looking for the good in every moment,
Yes.
which in turn makes you more receptive to positive outcomes and intuitive guidance.
Exactly. It shifts your focus and helps you maintain a higher vibrational frequency, making it easier to recognize and follow those intuitive nudges.
And now for you, our listener, we'd like to guide you through a simple exercise to help you connect with this inner compass that we've been discussing. We're calling it the compass within.
I love that.
So if you are in a comfortable and quiet place where you can relax undisturbed, we invite you to find a relaxed position, whether sitting or lying down. And whenever you feel ready, gently allow your eyes to close.
Take a slow, deep breath in, feeling your body gently rise, and then slowly release it, letting go of any tension you might be holding.
Take another deep breath, hold it for just a moment, and then exhale completely.
One more deep breath, filling yourself with a sense of calm and peace. And as you exhale, let go of any lingering thoughts or distractions that might be present.
Now in your mind's eye, begin to imagine a peaceful and open space.
It's a place where you feel completely safe, completely calm, and bathed in a soft, gentle, and loving light.
In your hands, you now notice that you are holding a compass.
But this is not just an ordinary compass. This compass radiates a warm golden light.
As you hold it in your hands, you can feel a gentle resonance, a subtle vibration that connects it to the very center of your being, to your heart.
This is your inner compass.
It is always with you, and it always knows the direction of your highest good.
Take a moment now to gently set a clear intention within yourself.
Don't feel the need to overthink it.
Perhaps your intention is simply to feel more joy in your day or to receive a clear sign that you're on the right path.
Maybe it is to discover something beautiful in your surroundings.
Or perhaps you simply whisper to yourself, "Surprise me, universe."
Allow this intention to form gently and clearly in your mind.
Now gently place one or both of your hands over your heart, feeling the warmth and the subtle resonance of that intention beginning to take root within you.
Visualize the golden compass in your hands beginning to glow even brighter, its light expanding outward.
And then without any effort on your part, the compass begins to spin gently, not in a frantic or chaotic way, but with a clear and deliberate sense of purpose.
And then slowly it comes to rest, pointing in a specific direction.
Trust this direction. You don't need a detailed map or a logical explanation. Simply follow the feeling, that quiet inner knowing that whispers this way.
Begin to mentally move in the direction that your inner compass is pointing.
As you move forward in your mind's eye, take notice of what is around you. Are there any particular signs that catch your attention?
Any symbols that resonate with you?
Perhaps an unexpected moment of beauty.
A sudden feeling of familiarity or recognition.
Allow yourself to simply observe without trying to analyze or force anything to happen.
Breathe in deeply this feeling of being guided. Trust the gentle nudge of your inner compass. That quiet knowing that resides deep within you. Cutting through the noise of your everyday thoughts.
Experience the sense of freedom and flow as you allow yourself to be led.
Now gently repeat to yourself, either silently in your mind or softly aloud. My intention is clear.
My intuition is strong.
I am always guided toward what is meant for me.
The path reveals itself as I walk it.
Take another deep breath and filling yourself completely with this sense of trust and alignment.
And as you exhale, gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes.
Slowly roll your shoulders in your head. Bring your awareness back to the physical space around you.
Open your eyes, carrying with you the peaceful feeling of connection and a renewed readiness to follow wherever your own inner compass gently points you next.